This is a quick video on our M series head unit showing you the hotspot, the internet from here to your head unit. On your iPhone, go into settings, go into personal hotspot, make sure it's turned on. Obviously you got a password there. On your iOS versions you could have a compatibility slot down here, which looks like this green one. Turn that on as well. Then on the head unit, scroll down from the top, click and hold on that. You might just have to turn the Wi-Fi on. We've already connected to the office network here, but Ben's iPhone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, press connect, connected. So quick test you can do here to make sure you've got internet is go into Chrome and just bang something in, search, and you can see that came up, so we have internet. So that's how you hook hotspot from your iPhone to the M series head unit.